how to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. So if you want to change your Instagram profile picture without changing your Facebook profile picture, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application, go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and from here you can tap on Account Center. Under the Account Center, tap on Profiles, and you can select your Instagram profile picture, and then tap on the profile picture section, and you can select a picture that you would like to add to your profile, or you can go with your Facebook and then again go with the profile picture and select the profile picture that you would like to add to your Facebook. And there's also another way, you can go with sharing across profiles, and here you can select your Facebook or your Instagram. Here you will have your Facebook post, your Facebook story, your Facebook reels and everything. So you just need to simply go and turn all of these off. Once you turn these off, then it will automatically not share anything from your Instagram to your Facebook or from your Facebook to your Instagram. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.